Good morning students, welcome to Konnur online classes. Here previous classes we can discuss formation of numbers with digits. Formation of numbers with digits. Concept. Here formation of numbers with our digits on the basis of permutation and a combination. Here permutation means it's an arrangement of numbers and combination means it's a selection. Very important is NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Here previous classes we can discuss formation of numbers with digits. Here there are two cases already we can solve. Here very important one is case number 3. Numbers which are greater than or less than a certain number. Here how to form numbers which are greater than or lesser than a certain numbers. How can we form these type of numbers using the digits? Here, how many 5-digit numbers can be formed with the digits 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, which are first question. First one is A. Less than 30,000. 5-digit number less than 30,000. Just variety now construct ಮಾಡಬಹುದು by using these digits. Here 5 digits are available. Here given digits 3, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. Here these are the 5 given digits. By using these digits, how many numbers can be formed less than 30,000? Less than 30,000. Here we can construct one box, that is here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a unit place, 10 place, 100, 1000 place, 10,000 place. Here a number which are less than 30,000. A number which are less than 30,000. In 10,000 place, there is only one option to substitute to only. Then only we can a number that is less than 30,000. Here, this is a place for substituting only one possibility. Then only that number is less than 30,000. Here, out of 5 numbers, already one number we can substitute here only. Then definitely here 4 possibilities there. Out of 5 numbers, is one number will be substituted here 10,000 places. There are remaining possibilities 4. Here 3. Already 2 numbers are substituted in 10,000 and 1,000 places. Definitely out of 5, 2 numbers are substituted. Definitely in 100 places there is a possibilities 3. Here 2 and 1. Multiplying these numbers we get our result. How many 5-digit number can be formed with a digits 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 which are less than 30,000? How many 4-digit number can be formed? Here, how many 5-digit number can be formed using 40,000? For example, 40,000 consider ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದ. Here 40,000 ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿವಾಗ here 2 is possibility, here 3 is also possibility, 5 ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10,000 places ಒಳಗ ನಮಗೆ ಏನಿರ್ತದ, there are 2 numbers we can substitute. Here in less than 40,000 we can consider less than 40,000, we can consider here 2 and 3 are possibilities. 5 substitute ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, 7 ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, 9 ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ there are only 2 and 3 numbers we can substitute. Out of 5 numbers, we can already choose one number in 10,000 places. That is possibility is 2. But one number out of 2 or 3, one number we can choose. Here 2 and 4, 3, 2, 1. Here multiplying these numbers, we get these type of numbers we can arrange or constructed by using these digits less than 40,000. Here this is 30,000 less than 40,000. 30,000, here there is one possibility, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is our answer. Greater than 70,000. Here next question. Greater than 70,000. Again we construct 5 number box, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Unit place, 10 place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place. A number greater than 70,000. Greater than 70,000. Here 2 is not substituted in 10,000 places. 3 is also not possible. 5 is also not possible. 7 is possible. Here suppose 71,000, 72,000, 75, 76. These are the numbers greater than 70,000. Here 7 also available. Here 9 also available. Here 7 or 9 numbers we can substitute here. That possibility is 2. Possibility is 2 to substitute here. Out of 7 or 9, only one number we can substitute here. Then possibility is 2, but substituting one number. Then here we can substitute 2 possibility. Then definitely here out of 5, one number will be substituted. Remaining 4 possibility are there. Here 3 possibility, here 2 possibility and 1 possibility. Multiplying these number, we get a number which are greater than 70,000. Next one, last, between 50,000 to 90,000. How many numbers we can construct by using the digit 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. Here construct one, again graph column. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here this is the unit place, 10 place, 100, 1000, 10,000. Here between 50,000 to 90,000. 50,000 to 90,000. Here we substitute 5 numbers and 7. 9 will not possible because between we can consider 50, more than 50, less than 90. Here there are 2 possibilities are there to substitute. Here 2, then definitely out of 5 we can substitute 5 or 7. One number. Then definitely here 4 possibilities are there. Here 3 possibilities are there. Here 2 possibilities. Here 1 possibility. Multiplying these numbers, we get a numbers which are in between 50,000 to 90,000. 50,000 to 90,000. I can again a numbers which are greater than or less than a certain number. How to create? How many 5-digit numbers can be formed with the digits 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, which are less than first cases, less than 30,000. Here these are 5 given digits in less than 30,000. 10,000 places only one possibility. Here 2 we can substitute here. 2 number, only one number will substitute. That implies here this is our answer. This is our answer. Suppose less than 40,000, we can substitute 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Here 2, 4, 3, 2, 1. Greater than 70,000. Here 7 or 9 will be substituted here. That's why there are two possibilities. Here 2, 4, 3, 2 and 1 are possible. Here between 50 and 90,000, 5 and 7, these two numbers are available to substitute 10,000 places. Here 2, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Multiplying these numbers, we get our result. Here case number 4, when one of the given digit is 0. Here formation of numbers by using the digits. Formation of numbers using digit. Here case number 4. Here when one of the given digit is 0. 0 italla. Here concept, take one example. How many 4-digit number can be formed using the digits? Here one condition is given, that is digits not repeated. Digits are not repeated. That's why we can create a given digit solution. Given digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 2, 6, 2, 4, 6, 7. There are 7 digits are given. How many 4-digit number can be formed? Here, how many 4-digit number can be formed? Here 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is a unit place, 10 place, 1000 place, 100 place, 1000 place. Suppose how many 4-digit number can be formed? Here 4-digit number formed. There is no way to substitute here. Now in place 0 substitute ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ there are 7 possibilities are there to substitute, but in 10,000 places there is no way to substitute 0. That's why total 6 possibilities are there to substitute in 1,000 places. Then out of 7, 6 possibilities are there to substitute in 10,000 places. Out of 6 possibilities, only one number can be substituted. Here there are 7 numbers are there. Here one number we can substitute. Then definitely out of 7 numbers, one number will go. Here definitely 6 possibilities are there. Here 2 numbers are substituted from 7. Then definitely 5. Here definitely 4. Multiplying these numbers, we get our result. Similarly, how many of them are odd? Here, ಎಷ್ಟು number odd number ಆಗ್ತವೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Definitely, we can construct another graph. That is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here, this is unit place. 10, 100, 1000 places. Odd number ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಆಗಬಹುದು, 3 ಆಗಬಹುದು, 5. There are 3 possibilities. Here there are 3 possibilities to substitute. But odd number also ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ರೆ there is no way to substitute 0 in 1000 places. That's it guys. Here already one number we can substitute here in unit places. Out of 3, one number will be substituted. Here definitely 0 substitute ಸಾಧ್ಯ. Out of 7 already we fill 2 numbers. Then 5. Here 1, 2 numbers already substituted. Here this is a 5. Here 4. Multiply, we get our how many of odd numbers are there.